Welcome to the best picks. The best tire sealant is probably one of the most underrated roadside companions you can have. Imagine this: you're cruising down the road, enjoying the scenery, when suddenly, a flat tire. Instead of being stranded or struggling with a spare, a good tire sealant can get you back on the road in minutes. Today, we're diving deep into the world of tire sealants, exploring their effectiveness, ease of use, and when they're the perfect solution. Number 5. Fix-A-Flat S60420 Emergency Tire Repair. Facing a flat tire can be stressful, but this product offers a quick solution. It's designed to get you back on the road in seconds, providing temporary repair and inflation. This product seals punctures up to 1/4 inch and provides enough inflation to lift the rim. It has been trusted for 50 years, making it a reliable choice. Forget about spare tires and complicated tools. This is an easy-to-use solution perfect for roadside emergencies. Keep it in your trunk for when you need it. The formula is safe for you, your tires, and the environment. The new performance top makes it even easier to use and more eco-friendly. Avoid the hassle of jacks and tools. It's TPMS safe and allows you to get your tire professionally repaired within 3 days or 100 miles. It's recommended for sedans, coupes, and sports cars. What we like. This product is your go-to solution for roadside emergencies. It's designed to quickly seal punctures and inflate your tire, getting you back on the road in minutes. If you're looking for a fast, easy, and eco-friendly way to handle a flat, this is the perfect choice for your car. What people say. Bought this one and it worked great. It was a slow leak that would take at least a week to lose 20 pounds of pressure. This fixed it and I haven't done anything else and it's been 5 to 6 weeks. She had to drive home immediately following using this product, 300 miles, it has been over 2 months now and my niece is still driving on that tire. Number 4. Slime 101942 in 1 Tire and Tube Sealant. Tired of flat tires? This sealant is designed to prevent punctures and keep you moving. It offers 2 years of continuous flat tire protection. When a puncture occurs, this sealant instantly seals the hole. It works on tread area punctures up to 1/4 in tires and 1/8 in tubes. The sealant is carried directly to the source of the puncture. The air pressure forces the particles into the opening, creating a flexible plug. This 32-ounce bottle is ideal for ATVs, UTVs, lawn mowers, tractors, and more. It's perfect for a variety of off-highway tires and tubes. This sealant is non-toxic, non-corrosive, and environmentally friendly. It's also non-flammable and water-soluble, making it easy to use. The sealant comes with a valve core removal tool and a clear installation hose. This makes it easy to install and get back on the road. What we like. This sealant offers both prevention and repair for your tires and tubes. It's perfect for those who want to avoid flats altogether, providing continuous protection for up to 2 years. If you have ATVs, lawnmowers, or other off-highway vehicles, this product will keep you rolling. What people say. This product sealed the tire almost instantly. It will save you from flats you won't ever know about and flats you will know about. It worked great and a week later the tire is still solid. Number 3. Slime 10011 Tire Sealant, Emergency Repair. Are you stuck with a flat tire? This product is designed for emergency repair on the road. It quickly seals punctures, getting you back on your way. Using FibroSeal technology, it seeks out and seals punctures up to 1/4 inch. The sealant is forced into the hole by escaping air, creating a durable plug. This is perfect for small and medium highway vehicles, including cars and trailers. It's an easy solution for unexpected tire problems. It's a safe and simple emergency repair solution. You can use it for up to 100 miles or 3 days before getting professional tire service. This product is environmentally friendly, non-toxic, and non-corrosive. It's also non-flammable and water-soluble, making it a safe choice for you and the environment. What we like. This slime sealant is designed for quick highway vehicle repairs. It's safe for your tire pressure monitoring system and easy to use, making it a convenient solution for unexpected flats. If you're looking for a reliable emergency repair for your car or small SUV, this is a great option. What people say. It is very easy to use, but the best part is how well it works. It's been in my tire about 3 weeks and no loss of pressure yet. Product fixed a leaking front tire on my riding mower. Since filling, it holds air as it should. Number 2. Fix a flat S60430 tire inflator, 3-pack. Tired of flat tires? This product is your quick solution. It seals punctures and inflates tires rapidly, getting you back on the road fast. This product effectively seals tread area punctures up to 1/4 inch in diameter. You don't need any tools or a jack to use it. It's designed for ease of use and maximum efficiency. The formula is eco-friendly, making it a responsible choice for tire repair. It's a safe and easy-to-use product that you can trust. It comes with a hose, making it suitable for large tires. This product is a reliable solution for various vehicles. This product has been a trusted solution for tire repair for 50 years. It's a proven product that you can rely on in emergencies. While this product provides a temporary fix, an approved RMA repair is recommended within 3 days or 100 miles. This ensures the long-term safety and integrity of your tire. What we like. This product seals punctures up to 1/4 inch in diameter and inflates your tire in seconds. It's a trusted solution that's been around for 50 years, providing reliable performance when you need it most. If you like a product that is easy and safe to use, this is the one for you. What people say. Fix a Flat has always been my go-to product when I need a quick tire fill and repair. Fix a Flat has always been my go-to product when I need a quick tire fill and repair. Number 1. Slime 10008 24-ounce Tire Sealant. This is Slime Tire Sealant. It's designed to quickly and effectively seal punctures in your tires. It's a reliable solution for keeping your tires in top condition. Slime uses FibroSeal technology to seal punctures up to 1/4 inch. The sealant finds the leak and creates a strong, flexible plug. This helps to prevent air loss and keep you moving. Use it to prevent punctures or repair existing ones. It's perfect for off-highway tubeless tires and can last up to 2 years. It's a simple, safe, and effective solution. When a puncture happens, the sealant goes straight to the source. The air pressure pushes the particles into the hole. They then build up and create a lasting seal. It's great for golf carts, lawn mowers, trailers, and scooters. It's a versatile product for many non-highway tubeless tires. This makes it a great choice for various applications. Slime is non-toxic, non-corrosive, and non-hazardous. It's also non-flammable and water-soluble. You can use it with confidence, knowing it's safe for the environment. What we like. This slime sealant is perfect for preventing and repairing flat tires in non-highway vehicles. It offers up to 2 years of protection, giving you peace of mind on your golf cart, lawnmower, or other off-road vehicles. If you are looking for long-term protection, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It sealed the tire and held air. I was able to drive the car to the tire shop. It worked great and sealed the tire. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.